The Addicks and Barker reservoirs work by collecting rainfall which falls into the Addicks and Barker watersheds and pounding that rainfall to prevent flooding downstream along the Buffalo Bayou corridor.
We accomplish this through the operation of the gates on the dams.
Let's talk about how Addicks and Barker Dams work for a few minutes. On a normal day, if you go out to Addicks and Barker Dams, you will see that the gates on the dams are left open to pass the normal flow of water down Buffalo Bayou and the tributaries right on through the middle of town. However, when it starts raining and it appears that flooding may occur, we will close the dams and start collecting those storm waters behind the dams. After the hazard of flooding has passed, we will go back, open the dams up, and start releasing water at a non-damaging control rate down the bayous.
At the time of original construction, only one of the 5 conduits that carries the floodwaters through the dams was gated on each dam. This allowed a release of approximately 15,000 cubic feet of water per second to flow from the reservoirs down Buffalo Bayou. By the early 1960s, the Corps had gated all the conduits on Addicks and Barker dams, and releases were reduced to 6,000 cubic feet per second. In the 1970s, the releases were further reduced to release of 2,000 cubic feet per second